Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs with a project share for you guys. I went to a one-on-one card making class that a friend of mine, Carla Jean, put on Wednesday, February 19th. It was just her and myself. She gave me some samples of some cards and I did them my way. And I'm here to share them with you. Now the first one is an Easter card, which these were cut out with a oval punch, and then I cut them with scissors to make the crack in the egg. And the little chickadee here is actually a bird punch. And then I used some scissors that has like, I think it's like 5 or 6 teeth to make the grass. And I took the ribbon that she on her sample tied here. I made a little bow, put it on top of my greeting here, and then also put it on the grass to make it pop. And this is an empty greeting card. So if I send it to somebody, I will put a saying in it, but I won't attach it to the card itself because they might want to use it later. And here's the second one that I done. Now this right here is embossed. I'm going to show you inside how I debossed, how I used the debossed portion of the card. Okay, first I did a border with one of her stamps, and then I call these little ornaments, but whatever. I took the twine that she again tied here. I rolled it around 3 of my fingers, scrunched it up, and glued it underneath my thanks, and the frame that is framed with some little florations. And then here at the inside, as you can see, is the debossed one that goes with this. Okay, and this is my saying here. It's on my greeting, and these are the 2 cards that I made while we chit-chatted and got caught up because we haven't seen each other in a while. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down there and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell while you're subscribing to get notified when I go live, when I upload a video, or when I do a premiere. And I want to say, be blessed, be kind, be healthy. See you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. See y'all later. Bye-bye.